We are alive, ladies and gentlemen. Zebec is pumping. Zebec is breaking out. We told you all Zebec will print millionaires, and it's what's gonna happen, man. Zebec is going to the moon. Jomo, how you doing? How do you feel about the Zebec trade? Brr.
Brr, man, brr. Look, man, look. Yesterday, I told our members to double their position on the breakout of the 45-ish area, to double it. We already had a position. I told them to double it, okay? And we're in the money printing. See, I'm in the money printing. Look, the thing is when you know how to be precise, okay, in your entries, you can be concentrated in the best movers at the right time once they want to move. It's as simple as that, CM. As simple as that. No need for something more than that. No need for something more than just being precise, knowing what to look for, and be as aggressive as you can with having risk management as a in mind as a first principle. And look, I'm going to share, I'm going to share the announcement that we had on
Share it later, man. Share it later. Once more people will join. You share the chart. We have only 10 viewers now. Share it later. Let them join.
share the chart. You share the chart. I
I'll,
have
sh-
something
I'll,
over here. It's confusing me.
okay. Let's talk on ZBCN. Look, ZBCN. By the way, all the Zebaceans, if you love ZBCN, make sure to subscribe, like, and share the video and retweet it. Okay, so look, we have a breakout. Okay, it broke out now. Today had a very beautiful candle. Look at the 6 hourly, very beautiful candle. Hopefully, it will hold, man. Really, this is a very scammy market today with Bitcoin, and yesterday with the Bitcoin scam. But again, it's showing relative strength to the entire market. We told you it's gonna pump. We told you this is bullish. That behavior was bullish. And look at the candle close. Now the bulls prove that they are on point, in control. Now we need follow through. Okay, we need follow through. That means or sideways and then continuation up. It can do a retest. It can do a retest. This will be a bit annoying in my opinion, but it can do a retest. But you don't want to be coming back down below the A45 now. You don't want to be coming down. You want to go now and take the 50s. Okay, these are our next major resistance area here. The box here around the 52 50s, close above the 50s, and we're gonna have a parabola, man. We're gonna have a parabola because if you look here on the smaller time frame, you can see that how it's making higher lows and higher highs here. You can see that low was kind of close to the low. This low getting further from the low, and now we want to see it going, more further, up, then pull back a little bit, and going further and further from the higher lows. That's the parabolic curves we're looking for in ZBCN, and you can put it on your chart as well if you use chart. You can see here that's it's curving. Now you want to see it remaining in this structure. That will be ideal. Obviously, that will be ideal. Obviously, Bitcoin is a scam. Bitcoin can poop the party at any moment. You know what? And also you can see here the breakout here. Man, this breakout looks like the measured move here. Show you the measured move here of that kind of inverse. It looks like an inverse head and shoulders. Very nice one, very nice one. Your measured move is around 65. You can see here that's your left shoulder here. Ba bam. That's your head. Baba beam. Actually, a head with a higher low here. You see, that's your head with a higher low. See the head, and that's your right shoulder here. So you have your head and your your shoulders. That's your neckline that we broke. Okay, now that's why it's very important to remain above it, not coming back below it like a fluffy scam, and keep ripping. Okay, this is the most important thing. It's gotta keep ripping into the highs of the chart, and really, and that This thing actually setting up and separating Zebec from the other crap market, because you can see what happened. All of them are toilet papers, making fake outs, coming back, chopping to pieces everybody. And Zebec breaking out today. Again, no, you don't want to jinx it. And continuing. Okay, that's what we want. This is a normal behavior. This is an expected behavior. It should have been behavior that work. And for us, detective traders, swing traders, that means money. Money, 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 sir.
Money.
Money.
Money. O como se dice en Argentina, mango, che. Así se dice. That's how you say.
Mango. Give me the
Mango, che.
mango.
Mira, mango. Dame un poquito más mango, che. No,
Where's
tengo
the
un poco de
mango?
mango. Look, I want to share something that on Bitcoin, actually. I want to share something on Bitcoin, okay? I think there's something on Bitcoin that can be interesting for everyone to see. Everyone knows, this type of chart, okay? Actually, let me change this to another one that is more clean. This one is probably clean. But, and you see on this type of bar candles, you have all these wicks, right? I want to show you something. If you change from bar to line, look at this. The reality is that we have been trading in a very narrow range, okay, and closing, above the 117,300 and below the 120, okay? This is the trading range that we are in, CM, okay? I'm looking at this trading range as a hawk. Yesterday, we were at risk of breaking below it. And again, you see that we broke below it in the past, but we closed above it, okay? We closed in the range, okay? So if we go below and close in the range, then nothing happened. If we go above, just like here, close in the range, nothing really happened. It's all about where we close. I'm looking for the first time we close outside of this range, okay? Outside of this range, I would expect, okay, a close up from the range and not down, but anything can happen in the market. Bitcoin is such a beast sometimes, an ugly maniac, and so it can do a fake out and then go back up, but I don't expect that really to happen. I do expect to close above for the first time once we go really beyond this trading, very, very narrow trading range. So I'm looking at this range like a hawk to see the first time we close outside of this box. Let's see, man. This reminds me of a Darvis box edge. Have you read the Darvis book, CM? The How I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market.
No,
It's
you have it.
Oh, you can download it on PDF, man. I read it.
I don't read on screens, man. I
Well,
hate
buy it, man. I don't have it. Buy it. I don't have it because I read it on my
it.
on my iPad. I have it on PDF. Look, it's a very short for everyone. I encourage you to go read that book. You can download the PDF, easy peasy online. Okay, read it. It's a very short book. You can read it like 2 days here, right? It's the story of Nicholas Darvis, a tango dancer from the 1960s and 70s that while he was traveling around the world dancing tango for a profession, he was trading the stock market, right? And he was losing, making money, boom and bust cycle until he figured out an edge. This is the edge that he found. It called the Darvis rectangle, the Darvis box. Okay, it's called How to Make $2 million in the Stock Market. How I made $2 million in the stock market in 1970. It's not today. Okay, it's like making 20 million today. Okay, a tango dancer while he was outside without technology, he needed to telegraph his buys and sells, CM, to telegraph it via telegraph. Not a phone, not internet, a telegraph. So this is the box that he used in order to trade. Very, very nice book, very easy to read book. I like it. Gives you a lot of inspiration. I read it multiple times in the past. I encourage you to do that. So that's what I'm seeing on Bitcoin, man. I'm seeing it on Bitcoin right now. That's what I'm expecting. Okay, a break above this box, but we'll need to wait and see. And not only a break above it, but also a close above it. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. But again, the market will do what the market wants to do, and we will need to adjust by what the market does. And if it does break above, as I expect, it will send Zebacean people into heaven, I believe, because not for nothing. And let me share the screen again, CM, because this is something important, okay, for people to understand. Sorry, one moment. Let me share the specific. Yeah, this one. Okay. So, not for nothing, ZBCN, when it broke out here, and I will share with a vertical line, this is where it broke out. Okay, everything else was dormant. Okay, and I said, people over here, while we are kind of trending downwards, people said, oh, and Bitcoin was breaking out here. People said, oh, ZBCN is a lagger, it's a loser, it's only going down. They didn't respect the fact that ZBCN actually broke out first. It preceded. There are three types of breakouts: breakouts that precede the market, breakouts that coincide with the market, with the Bitcoin breakout, and breakouts that lag the Bitcoin breakout. If something precedes a Bitcoin breakout, just like what happened with ZBCN, then even if it's later needs to correct, it's still a leader. People forget that. So just like what happened here, before Bitcoin broke out, we had a huge move on ZBCN. There is a chance, CM, that if Bitcoin breaks out of its own range right now, boom, we're gonna get another move up. And you measure the move all the way to this area, okay, but and that's one target to kind of reduce risk. But I expect we can reach all the way to the 1 cent finally if we have a Bitcoin breakout and ZBCN remains within this bullish price action narrative. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. And then, by the way, CM, if people don't understand this, no worries. You can join our VIP. Okay, come. We invite you to join our VIP where we teach all this in a very easy fashion so you can understand. We share our trades in real time. We share market updates. Look, this is, for example, from yesterday, okay? This is the ZBCN add-on, okay? For people that already had it. And if they didn't have any position, they could have started. Look, ZBCN long trade, this was the chart. I'm going to open it for just 1 second so you can see it. But you can see, I said if you're already in, double the position. Double the position. If for some reason you did already get in at the 38 level where we started, then I said buy at least 10 to 50% capital. Okay, this is the chart. You can see July 28th. This is the breakout above the 45. We had a stop loss, of course. Always use a stop loss. Always have risk management. And this is what we've seen. Our first entry, as I said, was above the 38 level. We doubled it above the 45. We took already first take profit hit because we need to make sure that we're taking profits along the way. This is what we will give for you, ladies and gentlemen, while you come to the VIP. Okay, and if you come to the elite VIP, okay, elite VIPs, they get better, more schmoozing, even a longer explanation of what's happening exactly, because it is for our elite VIP where we actually go far and beyond to teach them even more. As you can see, ZBCN trade from 17 hours ago before breakout, all the explanations on why. And this is only a partial thing of what we offer. We offer so much more. We create beasts that print money within our membership, within our community. Stop being on the fence. We initiated the banana zone phase right now. It's going to last 3 months, maybe. If we're lucky, 4 months, CM. Okay, 2 usually. But if we're lucky a bit more, you don't have time. You don't have time to sit on the fence. Stop losing all that money, because the trade that you lost from last week, instead of losing that money, you could have paid for the elite VIP. Stop losing money. Start investing in yourself, and then you will shift your mindset and you will actually start being profitable, start being consistent, and start printing money, just like CM is showing you. CM is getting better at doing this. Or he's like good faster with the market, with the market. So we invite you, come scan the QR code. If you can't scan, you have the link in the description. If you're on mobile, go check that out. You don't have time to lose. CM, what do you think?
Yeah, man. These people that watch our show, there is not a lot of people. But by the way, guys, retweet, share, subscribe, give us some love, some like, please give us some love. People that watch our show, they have two options: or stay losers, and keep doing what they've been doing, and wait for our YouTube, live nonsense, Or join the membership, get all our alpha, become the best traders they can be by far, because by themselves, they're not going to make it. This market going to cook you alive. This market going to take everything you have, all your life saving, and will take it and will put it in the whale's pocket. That's what this market is designed to do. Take the money from the dumb retailer, the dumb money, the moron, the emotional guy that that is chasing pumps and reading white papers. All this money is going to traders, to professional traders that profit from buying trades and execute trades on the right time, and then they rotate the gains to another trade and just repeat it. And then once the market turn around, they go short because they don't give an F. Bitcoin go up, they make money long. Altcoins. Bitcoin go down, they short altcoins, printing money. Okay? We in the business of making money. That's the difference. You want to be in our service because we're going to teach you how crypto can make you money consistently just by following simple principles. Simple. You don't even need to understand. You don't need to think. You just need to execute the trades. You get the trades. Okay, you put your stop buy or stop sell. That's it. Take profit. That's it. You go banging your wife in the wood or whatever you like to do, or shooting your rifle or go with the yacht, whatever. You live your life and you print. That's what we recommend. That's what we encourage our members. Let us do the dirty job. Let us be on the chart 24/7. Let us get
entries, stops, take profits.
Mental problems, from trading crypto. Let us take the damage while you printing just by following. Ask the members, man. Ask John Gloven. John Gloven been printing with us for a while. He's a lifetime member, man. Printing. And this is nothing. You know what will happen to our members when Bitcoin will actually go higher now and you're going to trigger the alt season of the cycle? You know what will happen when some of our big dogs trades trigger a breakout now in the next couple of weeks? You know what's going to happen to the accounts of our members? They're going to print while you holding crap shit that is going down. The members are going to print money. Every day that goes by and you're not in the membership, you lose money, you lose knowledge, you lose life, you lose everything. You get uglier, impotent, and you just in a downtrend. Stop being in a downtrend, join the membership, and go up, my friend. Anyway, if you have any question, drop it now. Probably going to wrap it up soon.
Very soon, man. Very soon. Look, what you're saying, CM, is so important. People need to drop everything that they're doing. Okay, just hone it to this. Look, we have different personas. We have that person that wants to become a trader, right? And he's joining because he wants to learn everything, all our courses, everything. He just wants to devour knowledge. And hey, that's why we have all that knowledge. But also, okay, we have people that don't want to do anything besides get a signal, get an entry, get a stop loss, take profits, print the money, move on to the next trade. They don't want anything besides that. Any person, any type of persona, you can find what you want in the membership. And hey, if you are really serious or you have 6 figures, 7 figures, the elite VIPs for you. We take you hand by hand, the best mentorship on the planet. We guarantee it because we know what we give. We know our product, okay? That's it for you. If you can't, that's not for you. Just want something more simpler. You have our VIP, which is very good. You get knowledge, you get signals, you get market ideas. And of course, you have even the lower tiers if that's what you can afford. No worries. We're trying to help as many people as we can with different type of products that we are offering, okay? But the one thing that you need to stop doing is waiting. Stop waiting. Just stop waiting. Make action. If you don't take action now, you're going to miss it. You are going to miss it.
And Mr. John Globen is saying after he was a hodler last year, he was a hodler. Then he joined our membership and he flipped to a trader. And then he's saying now trading has infinite options. Holding does not, follow the truth channel and money boo. of CM and Jamal. Thank you, Gloven. Thank you.
What else do we have? Mr. Facial is saying ZBCN, Cubic, two of the coins that we are loving right now. Cubic is on the heater, but you know, we can leave it on the side for people to come and see it on real time in the membership. But I will just say that, give you a sneak peek to what it is, man. Or do you want to go over it, CM? It's up to you.
Yeah, man, I'll go over Cubic, you know. Where is the Cubic chart? Give me a second here. I'm actually waiting for the breakout, man. Like,
yeah, for sure.
Where is the fucking breakout, man? Like, break the fuck out, man. Like,
it's getting there.
What are you waiting for? You're a little worm, man. Little weasel, you know, small cap coin, holding all this time, very nice bullishness. Come on, man, a little poop, and you know this coin can do a god candle at any moment. You know, this coin, look at this pump, man. Look at this candle here, 40%, and that one, the big one here, that was a 60% move. Man, this coin can pump a double in like a couple of days, you know. So Cubic, come on, man. Let's pump, man. We don't have time. We don't have time, really.
You know, it's a high probability breakout, CM. Look, it's just building that pennant. It's a beautiful pennant. It's just building the pressure. Remember what I always say about, you know, where there's a hose and there's a hose with a lot of water in it, okay? And it's building pressure, and you have like a thing on top of the hose, and it's building pressure. The water is coming, and it's still holding the you know, the thing, you know, the top is still holding, but at one point that pressure, the water pressure, is too strong, and it just explodes the you know, the top, and boom, everything explodes. That's how I like my trades, okay? That's the best analogy for what exactly is, you know, the volatility contraction and all that pressure that is building below the breakout, and boom, once it happens, poof, explosion. Yeah, man, definitely I see it happening on Cubic, man. They want us to check Harry Potter, the Harry Potter coin. These people, man. I wonder. Harry Potter
There is
coin,
no
man.
such thing. It's probably a bot or something, you know.
No, there was a Harry Potter one. Oh, there's actually some new ones. No, not even worth it, man. Not even worth it. Not even worth it, man. Peter is saying the end of hodl is close. Oh, so Peter is slowly selling all his hodl position. It's taking you quite a while, Peter, but you know, no worries. No worries.
Hopefully he will dump them all before the bear comes, because if he's gonna hodl in the bear, man, and he's waiting for his price targets, he's gonna get cooked. You know?
For sure. Okay, Mr. Vinny is saying millennial coin.
Oh my god.
Millennial coin. He's probably. Are you trading on a DEX, Mr. Vinny? He's flexing. He's flexing on our channel.
I'm a freak, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
I'm not even seeing it on a SEX. If that's a DEX, Vinny, we don't trade on DEXs. We believe DEXs have utmost risk. Well, maybe you made 3K now. We don't know what happened on the rest of the trades that you had. But I salute you. I salute you.
They are going to take all your money. Keep trading on the DEX, man. One day you will wake up and the DEX is gone. The DEX will be gone, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh. Oh my God, man. Anyway, we have this market can turn. Jomo, it's not it's a little slutty, but anyway.
For sure. Mr. Viala Beat, as he's saying, is printing on ZBCN, and because of your channel. Thank you very much. Happy that you're making money. Vinny, don't worry about it.
Mr. Beats, be a man. You made very lovely profits because of this channel. First of all, take the profits, take some of them, and buy the VIP, man. If you are cheap, if you are, you know, a man, a real man, get elite. But if you are cheap as fuck, get the VIP. That's the least you can do to join the VIP because, man, you see what we just from the YouTube you made money. So imagine what you're gonna make in the membership. Man, you're gonna print so much. You have no idea. You have no idea. Get yourself the VIP. Stop wasting time and waiting for the YouTube videos because the YouTube videos are nice and so. But when we take profit, when we cash out, we're not gonna tell you that. Okay, this is a financial advice. We don't give financial advice on YouTube. Okay, our members, they have everything, all the plan outlined before they even take the trade. They know where to put their stops, where to take their profit. At some point, ZBCN will roll over for a correction. You're probably not going to take your profit. Why? Because you have no idea what you're doing. You know, you're just buying based on YouTube. That's not a strategy. That's not a strategy. No, no, no. That's not a strategy. No, no, no. It could work for you. It could print you money, but it doesn't mean that it's safe. It's not safe to trade with no stops. Okay. If you don't use stops, one day you will stop trading. Before that happen, join the VIP so you will always stay trading and you will always print even in the bear market that will come sooner or later, man. Let's see what we have here.
Oh. MJ said that today was a nasty shakeout. Well, it depends on which time zone you're at. Probably you're in, East Coast or something like that. So it's still yesterday for you. You're still at 28th. We are already in 29th. Yesterday was a potential shakeout day. I wasn't shaking out. All good. Vinny's saying sorry. Don't be sorry, Vinny. We are happy for you. Keep doing what you're doing. You're nailing it. Be good, man. Yeah, man. CM. I think everything is good. Peter, just clean it out. Clean slate, Peter. Clean slate. Forget about
it. Let it hold your rubbish hodls. Probably gonna get a swing up on some of them. Hold them. Once they start pumping, start trimming them. Trim them. Like I told you many times. And that's it, man. And just get out of this crap that's pushing you down mentally and causing and locking you inside this cage of a dumb hodler that is going to the poorhouse. Okay, sell them once they pump and move on, man. Move on, and yeah,